The Alpha Grillers. Instant Red Meat Thermometer is a top-notch kitchen gadget designed for grilling and cooking enthusiasts. Boasting waterproof features, it ensures durability and reliability. The ultra-fast thermometer provides quick and accurate temperature readings, enhancing cooking precision. Equipped with a convenient backlight, it allows easy reading in low-light conditions. The thermometer also features calibration functionality, ensuring consistent accuracy. Its digital food probe is versatile for both kitchen and outdoor grilling, making it an essential tool for BBQ aficionados seeking precise and efficient temperature control. The Zuli Kitchen Powerful Milk Frother is a handheld foam maker designed for crafting delicious beverages. Perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, frappes, matcha, and hot chocolate. This mini foamer, also known as Milk Boss, adds a professional touch to your drinks. Its sleek black design enhances aesthetics, while the powerful whisk drink mixer creates creamy, velvety foam in seconds. Ideal for coffee enthusiasts, it transforms ordinary beverages into cafe-quality delights. The compact and user-friendly design makes it easy to use and clean, making the Zuli Kitchen Milk Frother an indispensable tool for those seeking to elevate their at-home coffee and beverage experience. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener offers a hassle-free solution to opening cans with just the press of a button. This automatic hands-free device operates smoothly, leaving a safe and smooth edge on your opened cans. Powered by batteries, it eliminates the need for manual effort. The design ensures food safety, making it a convenient and efficient addition to your kitchen. Say goodbye to manual can openers and enjoy the ease and simplicity provided by the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. The Ecolution patented Micropop microwave popcorn popper revolutionizes home popcorn popping. Crafted with temperature-safe glass, it's a BPA-free alternative for microwave popcorn. The 3-in-1 lid measures kernels, ensures safe popping, and even melts butter for flavor. This popper eliminates the need for pre-packaged popcorn bags, offering a healthier, environmentally friendly option. Its compact design and practical features make it an efficient kitchen tool for popcorn enthusiasts. Enjoy the convenience of making delicious, additive-free popcorn at home with the Ecolution Micropop Popcorn Popper, a clever and sustainable solution for a classic snack. The Geedel Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile kitchen tool with 3 interchangeable blades for grating and slicing fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Its user-friendly design makes it easy to clean. This Mandoline slicer simplifies food preparation, offering convenience and efficiency for various culinary tasks in the kitchen. The Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain is a silicone clip-on colander designed to simplify draining vegetables and pasta noodles. Its heat-resistant material makes it suitable for hot foods, and it easily clips onto pots and bowls for efficient straining. This kitchen gadget offers a convenient and space-saving solution for hassle-free food preparation.
Subscribe for more.